Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X plus y is equal to 14, xy is equal to 14. Solution. X plus y is equal to 14. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 14. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 14. Then y is equal to 14 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 14. Let us substitute for y here. This is s bracket 14 minus s bracket is equal to 14. Then let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 14, this is 14x minus s multiplied by x. S squared is equal to 14. This can be written as minus s squared plus 14x is equal to 14. Let us bring this to this side. Then here we have minus s squared plus 14x minus 14 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. We have negative s squared divided by negative 1. This is s squared plus 14s divided by negative 1. This is negative 14s. And negative 14 divided by negative 1. This is plus 14 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, the coefficient of s squared here is a. The coefficient of s here, which is negative 14, is b, and the constant here is c. S is equal to negative 14 plus or minus square root of negative 14 square, negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 14 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to negative multiplied by negative 14. This is 14 plus or minus square root of negative 14 square, that is 196, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 14, that is 56. Then over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 14 plus or minus 196 minus 56, that is square root of 140 over 2. And this is same thing as 14 plus or minus square root of this 140 can be written as 35 multiplied by 4, then everything over 2. S is equal to 14 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 35 over 2. And this is same thing as 14 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 35 over 2. S1 is equal to 14 plus root 2 root 35 over 2, and S2 is equal to 14 minus 2 root 35 over 2. This 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here, 7. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 1. And then 2 here, 7. S1 is equal to 7 plus root 35. This is the value of S1. And S2 is equal to 7 minus root 35. This is the value of S2. We've gotten the value of S1 and S2. Let us solve for Y1 and then Y2. From equation 3, Y is equal to 14 minus X. Y1 is equal to 14 minus S1 is 7 plus root 35. Y1 is equal to, if you open the bracket with negative, you have 14 minus 7 minus square root of 35. Y1 is equal to 14 minus 7. This is 7 minus square root of 35. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 14 minus 7 minus square root of 35. Y2 is equal to 14. If you open the bracket with negative here, we have minus 7 plus square root of 35. Y2 is equal to 7 plus square root of 35. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 7 plus root 35, 7 minus root 35. Then also S2, Y2 is equal to 7 minus square root of 35, 7 plus square root of 35. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong using either S1, Y1 or S2, Y2. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 14. Sy is equal to 14. Now let us consider this. S plus Y, this is 7 plus square root of 35 plus 7 minus square root of 35 must be equal to 14. This cancel this. 7 plus 7. This is 14 is equal to 14, which is true. Also, let us consider this. We have 7 plus root 35 multiplied by 7 minus root 35 must be equal to 14. And this is Sy. Then if you open out this, we have 49 minus 35 must be equal to 14. Then 49 minus 35, this is 14 is equal to 14, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.